Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm very excited. Even if I don't sound like it, I really am. I got a package from my good friend Crystal at Ambrosia's Dollhouse. She has an amazing channel. We're going to have her listed in the description. Please go by and have a look at her channel. Today we are doing the Easter Hop Swap, which is the brilliant brainchild of Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie. Came up with the idea, and she invited Ayla, Avar, Dal, Joy, Lissa, and I believe Dory's, Dolly's, and myself to join her for a collaboration where we announced and participated in, as well as a whole bunch of other people. And what we did is we grabbed a partner and picked a doll and did an outfit swap for Easter. So we're going to open this up and see what Cynthia sent. I have my Blythe doll Spring here, and she hasn't been in the spotlight for a very long time. Oh, look at that. These stupid beetles, I hate them. She's here today to try on some clothes.
Maybe.
And well, we have backup dolls if they Cynthia has a different body style, Blythe, than I do. But I have those, and look at these. Are these not the perfect size? I should have brought one of those little baskets up. You know, the little Blythe basket. I could put those right in. Those are adorable, Cynthia. Beautiful tissue paper that I will reuse. Let's see what we got. Oh, I thought I felt an egg. Oh, how fun is this? Now let me check. I would hate to, oh, there is more. There certainly is more. Oh, look at these eggs. They are perfect size for Blythe doll. Sorry, Darren. Oh, there's more here. Beautiful tissue paper. We will definitely be sending this on with other dolls. Just make, oh, there is more. Wow, there is more. Oh, and there's more of those eggs. Oh, I like those. Okay. There's something else. Oh, wow. Oh. I wonder if she made those. Oh my God, that is so cute. That is adorable. I need 3 hands. Let's see. Oh, that is so stinking cute. Oh, I almost dropped some eggs. Let me set the box aside. Oh, Cynthia, this is like, wow. This is a lot. The idea of the collab was to just send an outfit. You could send anything else you wanted. You could make it or buy it or however you wanted to do it. Aren't these cute? These are really cute little bags that put treats in and put them in Easter eggs. Oh, look at the skirt, how it matches those ears. Oh, I love that. I love pastel rainbow. I love rainbows. Darren and I are always chasing rainbows. Oh, what do we have in here? Oh, look at this. Oh, that is beautiful. Can you see this gingham bunny trim? Where did you even find that? Oh, wow, Cynthia, that is so cute. So I got 2 outfits so far. Let's see what's in here. Thank you for the egg. I have a collection of these, and I reuse them. Okay, here we go. Oh, how cute are these? These are really nice. I'm going to reuse those, too. Oh, my goodness. Did you make... Oh, I love these eggs. Did you make that? Oh, that is so cute. Let me get her dressed, and we'll be right back. Aren't they absolutely lovely? They are ready for a fancy Easter party. I love those little eggs. They look so cute in their little baskets. This little rabbit is absolutely adorable. I got to tell you something funny about Cynthia. She said to me, "Oh, I don't sew that much, so maybe you could critique my clothing. Folks, let me tell you, she needs to critique mine. These are so well crafted. And she did them hand stitching. They're absolutely lovely. I can't get over how well they are made. Thank you so much to Cynthia. Thank you, Jamie. This was a brilliant idea. Thank you, Ayla and Lissa and Dory. And thank you for every single person that participates in this collab challenge. Happy Easter to you each.
Happy Easter.